Hello YouTube viewers, here's another 56-inch tat. This is a cast iron motor tat. Adam did make a video of this in his videos a long time ago. So this is essentially just a remake. It's still a little bit out of balance. Hopefully I can solve that if I figure out which one weighs more and work on balancing it. The same thing, the grommet is long gone, so it's just metal on metal. But it does run quiet. It moves a good amount of air actually. Cast iron motor with steel blades. So it takes a little bit to get up to speed, but when it does, it falls. Pretty nice fan. Very heavy motor on this one. Just like the UFO tat. Let's go ahead and spin down. This is also my first thick Union motor. Notice the gap between the two halves with the really thick spacing. So that's pretty cool. I've got a few more fans I want to test today. I'm going to try to do all the fans in my personal collection that I'm going to keep. There's only like 6 more I have to go through. I'm trying out the cooler ones now. The tats are definitely cool. Probably gonna keep both of them unless I get offered something really good in trade or, you know, a very good price. But these are both high on my list of fans I've been looking for. The only thing I want more than this tat would be an actual Pleasant Air of the cast motor. I know Dan Newman had a few of them, and some other people have had a few. I haven't found one yet. So. Like I said, we're not going to do the full spin down because this is a cast motor with steel blades. That's probably going to spin down for a whole another 2 minutes. I don't feel like sitting here for 2 minutes. So, I'll be back with the next fan. Thank you for watching.